Good morning, traders. Welcome to the Perfect Storm Market Timing channel. In today's video, we're going to take a look at our new indicator. It's called the pH indicator because it gives us a litmus test of the market. Okay, here's the chart from early this morning. You can see the three panes of the indicator on the bottom of the price chart. And what we have, the controller for today is the light blue. So our point of concentration is going to be to look at the light blue blacks in the bottom pane. We also have other key transition points where we go from gray to purple, and also the transition point from red to yellow. So the morning trend is to the upside, so we're looking for points of entry. And you can see now with my crosshair on the chart that the green and red arrows, the green arrows pointing to the price action, the red arrow pointing to the indicator bar. You can see the light blue, the start of the light blue box at the bottom is triggering a reversal where we go from this short corrective move, we start our uptrend. We're not doing too much yet right before the open, so we get to our next key transitional point, which is our gray to purple area, and that gives us an additional long entry right there, and that particular move sets off right after the open and goes up better than 10 points. Now what happens, we always want to watch and monitor this red to yellow area, and you can see that that gives us an early warning that that uptrend swing may be topping out, which it is. And during that yellow black, it corrects until we hit the next light blue timing black, and that gives us our next entry point to go long. Now we sit here and we kind of go sideways for about 10 minutes, and then we finally start moving up, and then we hit a couple of minutes of a corrective move, which comes right into the next key transition times where we change segments. You can see we change segment colors here on the top two indicator panels, where we go from blue to purple and gray to purple. And what happens there is it's a key point where our trend is going to change, and that's another re-entry point. You can see that the market starts moving up to there, and then we kind of always want to watch where we go red to yellow, and you can see we change trend there at red to yellow, get a little bit of a downtrend, and then we're going to look to go long at the next blue black. What happens there, we have a little minor 1 bar correction, and then we hit into that uptrend again, and we could take another trade right there. And that particular trigger point goes from 84 to 92, so that's about an 8-point trade right there. We get another entry here on the purple black, which would be an add-on point should you wish to do that. Our next point to monitor would be right here where we change segment again, and you can see that that became another low, and the market starts moving up from there. After that, the next key point would be the red to yellow transition. So this is a nice visual indicator. It shows really shows you good potential entry and exit points in the market. Really good scalping tool with really no work required on this. So once it plots, you can see it plots forward all day long, and you can use this as a tool to initiate trades with really no work required whatsoever on your part. These indicators are now available for lease on our website, perfectstormtrading.com. We'll be back again early next week with another video. We'll talk to you then.